Monday's precise and important news. Intelligence forces rescued a businessman from the clutches of kidnappers. The security forces conducting an operation saved a businessman who was kidnapped in Police District 17th of Kabul city. He was kidnapped 3 months ago for ransom. 3 kidnappers were killed and 1 was arrested during the said operation. ISIS is disappearing in Afghanistan, says Zabiullah Mujahid. Maulavi Zabiullah Mujahid, the spokesman of the Islamic Emirates, says the current situation of ISIS makes us realize that ISIS is disappearing in Afghanistan. Afghan embassy activities will continue in Tehran. Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan Ministry of Foreign Affairs informs all Afghans residing in Islamic Republic of Iran that the Afghan embassy activities will continue in Tehran following the dispatching of newly appointed chargé d'affaires and diplomats with a firm commitment and spirit to serving the citizens of the 2 countries. Former Commissioner of Border Police of Farah Province returned to the country. Contact Commission with Afghan personalities says due to the efforts of the Commission previous administration administrative assistants of Border Police of 4th Zone of Herat and former Commissioner of Border Police of Farah Province Muhammad Nadir returned to the country. The Kabul-Jalalabad highway reopened for traffic. The Kabul-Jalalabad highway has been reopened for traffic after a gas tanker truck overturned, said the Ministry of Public Works. After Iran, Istanbul has also handed over the Afghan consulate to Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. Afghan consulate in Istanbul has been handed over to the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. Thousands of Afghans will have a sigh of relief in Istanbul as the official representatives of the Afghan government will facilitate them now. Weapons and ammunition discovered. Mujahideen forces of the Intelligence Department of Ghazni province discovered and confiscated thousands of bullets and hand grenades, explosives, and other military equipment that were skillfully placed in a truck.